looking pretty and put together every day is one of those wonderful qualities you can master and benefit from throughout life. So regardless of where you are in life or where you are working, I don't think there is a need for you to neglect your appearance. I feel like our appearance says a lot about who we are and what we see through ourselves. So surely it will feel so good when glancing into the mirror and see how well your whole image looks like. While this can get a bit overwhelming and maybe it may sound or seem as if it's expensive, but in actual fact it is not expensive. All you need is just some few quick hacks. Oh, by the way, if no one has told you this before, you are beautiful just the way that you are. Now let's unpack all the useful tips on how to achieve a clean, polished appearance. Hello to all my Revolutional sisters out there. Welcome and welcome back on the channel where we talk about girls talk, femininity, life motivation, and self-discovery. As you have already seen from today's title, I want us to unpack on how to look or to achieve a clean, polished appearance. The first tip on how to achieve a clean and a polished appearance will be, let's take care of our finger and our toenails. I know that not everyone likes the application of acrylic or gel, but also not everyone is able to go to the salon each and every 2 weeks or a week, which is absolutely fine. So it's very good to stay with your natural nails. You don't need to go to the salon each and every single time. Is the only major thing here is to make sure that you keep your nails at the most manageable length so that you can keep them clean at all the time. So also the other tip is to learn how to do your own nails at home. I mean, we've all painted our nails when we're still young, so the process is almost one and the same thing. I mean, if you are able to stay on YouTube, watch different videos, go on TikTok, watch different videos, why can't you learn how to do your own nails at home? I mean, there's just a different type of nails that you can do. You can practice how to do your acrylic or your gel or even your poly gel. That's my 2-cent advice. But also, if you're someone who likes going to the salon to get your cute little set of acrylic or gel, for a more put together or a clean look, you can have your nails short or medium. Also, I recommend that you stick to neutral colors as they have that minimal and very polished appearance. So also, if you like design, stick to more simple and clean design to achieve that poly look. So the best colors that I can recommend, it will be red. I feel that red goes well with every skin tone, white or a baby pink or even beige. So I think these colors are timeless and absolutely stunning for almost any skin tone. Tip number 2, it will be have a combo mix of perfumes. I know that I said the tips are more based on the appearance, to give us more clean, polished appearance. But wait for it. People associate the people who smell good as people who are clean, polished, and well put together. So hence I'm gonna be saying that have a combo mix of perfumes. So what do I mean about having a combo mix of perfume? It simply means that layer a different smell, like have your own concoction, mix different perfumes. When you're walking on the street, you hug someone and they'll be like, oh, you smell good, or Some they don't even tell you, but they know that you smell good, girl. They do know that you smell good, but then they can't figure out exactly what you smell like. I mean, you do not need to have or buy those expensive design perfumes. You can buy your cheap perfumes. You mean, like, mix and match them, use your body mist. You know what, just mix everything. Just don't do it too much, but I know that there is a power in mixing and matching your perfume. That's what I do. I usually don't know how I smell like, but I know I smell good, but I don't know, like, because I mix different perfume, it gives me that thing that I cannot even explain. Okay, so remember, the ladies, for you to have that a polish, a clean appearance, mix and match your perfume. I mean, make your own concoction, period. Tip number 3, it will be pay attention to your undergarments. So I don't know if I will ever stop preaching about this tip, because I am so conscious and so sensitive when it comes to my undergarment popping out from any outfit that I try to wear. So I feel that whenever you have an outfit that makes your whole, or maybe one of your undergarments to pop out, it kind of cheapen the whole outfit. Also, the reason why they are called underwears is because they're supposed to be under. I don't think they're supposed to be seen. They're supposed to be under, not on top. So actually having your underwears popping out from your outfit, it kind of cheapen your whole outfit. In this year of 2024, ladies, let's opt for stripeless bras, or let's just put down the stripes whenever we opt for tops such as tank tops or off the shoulders. And as for the panties, let's try and avoid having panties lining popping out from our outfit. Let's try and invest on more seamless look that will surely make us appear more polished, put together, and clean. So for the option of choosing the right panties, it will be opt for panties that fit you properly without fitting you too tight. The second one, it will be consider thongs. So thongs simply don't have the lines to show, so making them more ideal panties for free choice. So the third one, it will be look for seamless panties. Fourth one, it will be try shapewears. This will give you a totally smooth look. Okay, so the last one, it will be wear short thigh. If shapers isn't for you, you may be able to get some benefit from a pair of some thigh. The fourth tip, it will be invest in neutral colors. Like, listen, you will never go wrong when it comes to neutral colors. So when it comes to looking clean, polished, neutral colors take the stage, offering a subtitle and understated charm. So when you think of neutral colors, think of colors like classy shades such as black, your white, your grays, a beige, a brown, or navy. So why should you invest in neutral colors? That's because neutrals are timeless, chic, and enduring. So also neutral are always in fashion throughout the years, not a year but years, and also no matter the season. So also what makes neutral even better is that you can mix and match them, whatever you're looking on creating a monochromatic neutral outfit, or using them as a basic for an outfit. So there are endless combination leveraging neutral that will always look chic and more polished. Tip number 5, it will be take care of your hair. So I've always heard that a woman's beauty lies on her hairstyle. Well, I do not know how true is that, but what I know is that a well-kept hair, regardless of any hair type, will always significantly signature on the overall appearance. So make sure that you create times to cater to your hair, being your natural hair, or if you're someone who wear weaves, wash and deep condition and moisturize your hair, being your hair or your weaves. And if you are looking on a more of polish, on a put together look, I know we all have our bad hair days. So should you leave the house, you can opt for maybe wearing a head wrap or finding some cute head. So never leave a house wearing your bonnet. So ladies, please, this 2024, we're leaving our bonnets at home. Number 6, it will be invest in structured bag. So I'm not saying you must run and get those designer bags, but I'm saying get yourself some structured bag, especially those ones that are in your neutral colors, like your black, your brown, or your beige. I don't know, I just don't know. There's this aesthetic of having like a well structured bag. It has the ability to elevate your outfit from 0 to 100, making you look more polished and classy with just a minimal effort. I mean, try it, ladies. Try it for yourself. Try it. My 7th tip, it will be learn to do your own nails, hair, makeup at home. I don't know, but if you are able to be scrolling on TikTok, on YouTube, I mean, YouTube is the school of everything. You can literally learn everything on YouTube. So learn to do something. So if you are a girly who's like me, who loves saving some coin there and there, like, learn one skill, just one skill, just dedicate one skill for yourself for this 2024 and see how it'll go. Yes, I know there's gonna be trials and errors, but then you don't get a better by just doing something, but you get better at doing something when you are constantly doing it and doing it and doing it. I hope it makes sense. I mean, learn something. Don't be that girl who can even do her eyebrows, who can not even apply a mascara. Just learn something, okay? Learn something. It's not that hard.
Don't let anyone define your dreams. Your dreams will be yours. The bigger you dream, the higher you dream. If you are someone who's a fixer or someone who likes to find things, you'll find your road to that dream. But if you don't aim high, you're never going to be able to want to walk up the ladder. You know, you have to keep aspirations for yourself.
Elevating your appearance to a more clean, polished, it shouldn't be about spending a lot of money, but it's all about constructing a sophisticated and a refined appearance by just investing to any tip that I have given, and also finding flattering, elegant clothes that make you look or feel fabulous. So let your confidence shine while you incorporate all the tips. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Stay beautiful and stay blessed.